I don't know why I can make this funny sound that sounds like laughing, and a lot of people say that I didn't do it, but here I go. And I also can do this.